everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. On today's video, I am torturing myself because I'm an idiot and I forgot to cancel this box. This is the Walmart beauty box. I have not opened it yet to see what is inside, but this box has been pretty much crap for over a year now. When I first started getting it 2 years ago, it was actually pretty decent. It is $5 a quarter. It's only a quarterly box. And it used to have like actual samples in it and actual products in it. The last few of these have been straight up crap. Just gonna say that. Let's go ahead and open it up and see if I wasted my $5 yet again. So, we're gonna open it up. All right, so there is a card. It says, "Hello, Sunshine." Okay, it's got a yellow paper on it. Cross your fingers, cross your fingers. All right, I am not angry right now. I'm not angry right now. All right, I have hope. I have hope. All right, let's go ahead and pull out the top item right here. This is from Bic. It's a razor, which isn't bad to get. It's a Soleil Soleil Sensitive Comfort Shield Razor. I'm not upset about this. There it is. It is a full-size razor. That is not a bad product to get. That I'm happy about. So, I'm not upset there. I mean, it's a couple of bucks, right? I mean, I don't know how much razors are because, honestly, I've been getting them in beauty boxes, so I haven't bought a razor in a while. So I can't say for sure how much this costs, but I am not upset about that. Next item. This item right here. This is from Rock. It's a retinol correction eye cream. And it is a half a fluid ounce, but you know what? I got some half fluid ounce items in my other beauty boxes that I paid a heck of a lot more than $5. So this is an eye cream. I am not upset about that, guys. Not upset about that. Okay? And there's this card, but there's not really, well, there's some cards in the bottom. Let's pull the cards out. Okay. All right. So it looks like there's a card for the Rock. It says, "Refresh and revitalize the skin around your eyes. 3 age-defying results. Visibly reduces the appearance of puffiness, dark circles, and fine lines around the eye by 50%. All right. There is a card in here for the razor as well. And this says, "Try the #1 women's disposable razor brand. 3 flexible blades. Comfort Shield helps protect skin from nicks and cuts. Effortlessly glides for silky smooth skin. Soothing moisture strip enriched with aloe vera." All right. I started this video out by saying I was going to punish myself, but so far 2 products in, I'm not upset. Let's see. There's only a couple. Well, there's a couple more items in here. There is a Maybelline Grape Lash Mascara, which is not a bad mascara. I think I actually have one of these open in my drawer over there right now. I might have gotten it actually in a Target box rather than a Walmart box, but not a bad mascara. There's no card for this, so I can't really read you anything on this, but it is a black mascara. Not bad. Next item is a foil pack, which I'm not quite done yet, so it's not bad. This is a Nivea 48-hour moisture moisturizer lotion, basically. So that's what that looks like. Okay. Next item is from Biore. This is the Witch Hazel Ultra Deep Cleansing Pore Strip. And there's 1 nose strip in here. So, you know, it's a sample. It's fine. That is what the package looks like there. All right. And it did come with a card for this. So this is the Biore Witch Hazel Ultra Deep Cleansing Pore Strips. Clogged pores, blackheads, witch please. #1 pore strip. That sounded silly, didn't it? #1 pore strip brand. Instantly unclogs. Can I speak today? Instantly unclogs and purifies pores for the deepest clean to help eliminate blackheads. Designed to bind to blackheads, not to skin. Biore Witch Hazel Ultra Deep Cleansing Pore Strips work like a magnet to safely and effectively bind to remove dirt, oil, and even stubborn blackheads. Proof you can see on the strip. It may be disgusting, but it's also oddly satisfying. With continued use, visibly reduce the size of your pores. All right. If I like it, I might have to buy some. And then the last item in here is actually kind of neat. I've never heard of this before. This is from Blistex. It's the conditioning lip serum. Have you guys ever heard of lip serum before? I've never heard of this. So there is a card. It says it's the Blistex conditioning lip serum. Blistex lip conditioning lip serum's ultra-rich daily use formula soaks in to thoroughly moisturize and completely revitalize lips. It says 1 drop deeply conditions. So it doesn't explain how to use it. Let's see if the actual container does. Nope, it's 0.3 ounces. So I think this might be the full size. I don't know. I'm gonna have to give this a try. I will try it out before I post this video, so I can put a something in the description or maybe the first comment down below about what I thought of this product. All right, so now I need to eat my words. This box was $5. They say they don't actually charge you for the box. They say they're charging you for shipping only. So there's that. It's $5 quarterly. Recently here, it's been really crappy, but this month, I think it's not bad. I mean, the razor itself is at least a couple of dollars. This Blistex lip serum, I'm really curious to try because especially when I do wear lipstick, my lips get very, very dry. Normally day to day, they're not bad, but when I do wear lipstick, I'm going to be paying for this tomorrow. So I'm definitely going to give that a try. The nose strip, I'm curious to try. There's a little lotion, not bad. It might be something that I can just throw in like my travel stuff that I take with me when I travel, and it might get me through a weekend. In fact, I'm going away this weekend, just a couple hours away, and it's just for like 2 days. So it's not like a major trip or anything, but I might take that as my lotion. This I'm actually really excited about. I'm not familiar with Rock products, but I'm excited to give a new eye cream a try, to be honest with you. I am very interested in trying eye creams. My lines are getting deeper by the day, and if I can do something that's going to help with that, I wouldn't mind. And then there's a mini great lash, which I'm probably going to put this in my giveaway drawer just because, honestly, I have so many mascaras. This is the 5th mascara. I just filmed this video. This is my month-end beauty box look. You'll see it probably later this week, but I filmed this Get Ready With Me just before this. This is the 5th mascara I got in August. That's a lot of mascara. I only have 2 eyes. So I think this is going to go in my giveaway drawer because I do have one open right now. Not a bad mascara. Probably not my favorite in the drugstore, but not a bad mascara. Anyway, I eat my words. I was wrong. I feel like I got $5 worth of product this month. Definitely. Especially if that the Blistex lip serum is a nice product. I'm really going to be eating my words. So that's what I get for opening my mouth before I open my box. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already, hit that red subscribe button and don't forget to hit the little bell to notify me when I upload new videos. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below. What do you think of the Walmart box this quarter? I'm actually really impressed with it. Maybe it's that the other ones were so bad that this one I just had to like because the other ones were so bad. I don't know. Anyway, one last thing before I let you go. I did open my own online clothing boutique. It is nimnies.com. If you wouldn't mind checking out, I would greatly appreciate it. The link is in the description bar down below if you're not sure how to spell it, but it is nimnies.com. Anyway, I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye!